For question 9, we're asked to derive the overall rate of polymerization given the information that we have steady-state conditions. So for this question we're making two assumptions. The first is that the rate of polymerization, Rp, is synonymous with Vp. This is the rate of propagation. This means that our rate will be Vp equals Kp Rm dot m dot, sorry, just m. This is just the rate of propagation from the earlier question 8. And the second assumption we're making is that at steady-state conditions we are told that the rates of radical formation or consumption are beginning to equilibrate and essentially become equal. So we are saying that the rate of initiation will be equal to the rate of termination. So from this, if we put in the equations from question 8, where Vi was equal to 2kd Fi and Vt was equal to 2kt m dot squared. If we put these two equal to each other, we will then be able to first of all make n dot the subject and insert the whole thing into this equation up here, and this will give us the overall rate of polymerization. So let's do that. So putting these two equal to each other, we get 2kd Fi equals 2kt m dot squared. So as I just said, we're now going to be making this the subject, as this m dot is exactly the same as Rm dot. We've just written them slightly different. So to do this, we divide both sides by 2kt, effectively cancelling this out. So we are left with 2kd Fi over 2kt equals m dot squared, and immediately we can see that there is a 2 on the top and bottom of the fraction, so these can be removed, and the next step is now to square root both sides of this. That will remove the square and just leave us with m dot. So m dot is equal to kd Fi, as you can see I've removed the 2's, over kt, and all of this will be square rooted. Now you can write square roots two ways. You can either do it like this, or you can do it like, say up here, like that, as you may have seen before. They're both exactly the same. We'll do it like this, just because it makes it slightly neater. And now the next step will be to insert this into our equation up here. So if we do this on this side of the page, we are left with Vp equals Kp, and we're just replacing this Rm dot with our m dot here, Kd Fi over Kt square rooted to the power of a half, and then times by the concentration m. And that is our final answer.